Cruise by Mandy. Just a real quick glimpse on here on the sports deck, another area. I believe this is deck 17 or 18. Getting confused going up and down a lot. You have the outdoor workout facilities that go along this track here. There is a certain direction on the track that is walking or running. If you cross over into the running side and you're still walking, somebody will gladly correct you as they are running by. But well, say this has been a very active cruise. Again, this is on board Royal Princess. Princess Cruise Lines is the, or Princess Cruises for people that have asked which cruise line this is for Royal Princess. This particular voyage is sold out of rooms. Just a quick glance up ahead. This particular track, you may have seen my previous video when I did a ship inspection about 2 years ago here, and that's also back in the video section. But there, this is just one section of the sports area, not even looking at the golf driving net or the skeet shooting simulator that allows 4 people at a time. It takes about 10 minutes once inside for a couple of rounds. But you've got lots of indoor, as in the fitness gym, and you've got the entire outdoor section as well, with your walking track or your outdoor miniature putt. As you can see, we are at sea, so it is a little bit windy. Wear your ponytail, hang on to your ring key, which is why I always use a lanyard.